supernatural powers, aliens या फिर sea monsters, what are the real reasons for the mystery behind the Bermuda Triangle? चलिए देखते हैं. बर्मुडा ट्रायंगल जो है जगह एक पानी में है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एंड इट इज अ ट्रायंगल लाइक यू कैन सी. इट्स फ्रॉम फ्लोरिडा टू पोर्टो रिको एंड देन द बर्मुडा आइलैंड. तो एग्जैक्टली तो इट्स नॉट अ ट्रायंगल. इफ यू गो देयर यू वोंट फाइंड अ ट्रायंगल. इट्स जस्ट एन अप्रोक्सीमेशन कि ट्रायंगल जैसे दिखता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स कॉल्ड द बर्मुडा ट्रायंगल. इट्स आल्सो कॉल्ड एज द डेविल्स ट्रायंगल. तो क्या होता है अगर आप लोग को कुछ आइडिया नहीं है कि व्हाट हैपेंस इन द बर्मुडा ट्रायंगल. बहुत मूवीज में भी इसके बारे में दिखाया है कि लोग क्या होता है उधर की बहुत सारे हजारों शिप्स एंड फ्लाइट्स और प्लेन्स हैव flown over the Bermuda Triangle, और ships जो है Bermuda Triangle when they pass through it they've suddenly disappeared and out of nowhere एक अभी रहता है वो प्लेन रेडार में एंड देन दूसरी सेकेंड द प्लेन इज नॉट इन द रेडार. तो शिप्स भी सडनली सिंक हो जाते हैं एंड व्हेन दे सेंट द रेस्क्यू टीम्स, even the rescue teams were missing. So what happened there? What's the mystery? What's going on there? Because it is quite strange, isn't it? So in 1498 Christopher Columbus, even he said that in his book that while he was passing through the Bermuda Triangle, even he had witnessed this कि सडनली अचानक द क्लाइमेट द मौसम चेंज हो गया था अचानक, और बहुत बारिश हुई एंड लाइटनिंग हो रहा था, हवा बहुत तेज चल रहा था, एंड द कॉम्पास स्टॉप्ड वर्किंग. ड्यूरिंग दोज डेज द ओनली सोर्स ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग बाय सी वो कॉम्पास जो नॉर्थ की तरफ डायरेक्शन दिखाता है, एंड इवन दैट स्टॉप्ड वर्किंग बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ दे यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल. कि उनको डायरेक्शन से पता चल रहा था कि इधर जाना है कि इधर जाना है, जो उनको जाना रहता था. इवन द कॉम्पास स्टॉप्ड वर्किंग इन द बर्मुडा ट्रायंगल. अभी भी शिप्स के इंजन्स यूज्ड टू स्टॉप वर्किंग एंड द नेविगेशन, अगर प्लेन था तो रेडार से बाहर चले जाता था. द नेविगेशन सिस्टम ऑफ द शिप्स यूज्ड टू स्टॉप वर्किंग एंड it was all a mystery. Everyone was confused. People were dying and मतलब जो भी used to go there, they used to suddenly start missing and rescue team जो भेजते थे वो भी missing हो जाता था. तो what actually was happening? Well, the mystery has been solved. In 1970, Bruce Gernon, he went through this experience or this situation. उन्होंने fly किया था through above Bermuda Triangle, and what did he find out? He was the first one to return from this situation, and he told us that even he had witnessed something similar. And the most common thing of all the experiences from people was that the climate was changing. And उन्होंने भी बताया कि अचानक मौसम बदल गया था. There were large, huge, dark clouds there, and it was very windy. And but he told that suddenly, अचानक the speed of the flight increased, the speed of the plane increased, and after 3 minutes he came out of the dark clouds and he landed. He found out that in 3 minutes his plane had traveled 150 kilometers. So that's a speed of 3000 kilometers. 3000 kilometers अभी भी possible नहीं है normal passenger flights में. And that is what happened. So everyone was confused again. It was a mystery, and people started saying about dark magic, about aliens, supernatural powers, या sea monsters तक की बातें it was shown even in the movie. So that was the mystery about the Bermuda Triangle, and everyone was confused. But let me tell you, the mystery was solved long back, and there is nothing related to aliens or supernatural powers. It's absolutely natural, but it's quite unique. So the main reason, one of the main reasons for the water, under this water in the Bermuda Triangle, under the ocean, there are volcanoes. तो ये volcanoes जो है, these emit methane gases and many other poisonous gases. So when these methane gases mix with the sea water or the ocean water, the density of water decreases. अभी जो ships का जो design होता है, जो model होता है, when these ships are designed, they're designed according to the density of water or the saline water. So when methane and these poisonous gases react with water there under in the Bermuda Triangle, the density of water decreases. So this is the main reason. So now the ships there, they sink because जो शिप को डिजाइन करते हैं, they design according to the density of water so that it can float. But if the density of water decreases, then the ships also go down and they sink. And this is one of the reasons why even if someone like us, even if people try to swim in those areas, we won't be able to swim and we'll drown to death. So this was the main reason for why the ships were sinking all of a sudden there. And there were also cases of hills there, small hills जो underwater iceberg जो होता है, ice नहीं था, जो normal hills है, these ships and boats used to go and collide, and they used to sink. And the other main reason for these planes to disappear all of a sudden are these hexagonal clouds, which you can see. Hexagon is a six-sided shape, and ऐसे shape, hexagon shape के clouds है उसके Bermuda के ऊपर, and these are massive clouds. Okay, the 40 to 50 kilometers के size के these clouds are, and because of these clouds, in these clouds the speed of the wind is very fast. It's about 250 kilometers under. So when a plane goes inside these clouds, they find it never ending, first of all because 50 kilometer का है वो ये clouds, 40 to 50 kilometers, so it's massive. And the second is when a plane enters these clouds in an opposite direction to the direction of wind flowing, तो गया, the plane just gets destroyed by the winds, फाड़ देता है उस planes को ये. And the other thing is that when these planes enter in the same direction as the wind flow, तब wind लेके उसको फेंक देता है इधर, तो the speed of the plane also increases because of that, and that's why he could travel 150 kilometers in 3 minutes. So these two are the main reasons, and because of these hexagonal clouds, they are very dark clouds, they're massive clouds like I said, and because of this the wind causes even the waves to become massive. It rises up to 40-50 feet high, the waves of these seas and the oceans, and these are the main two reasons of why the ship sinking and why the planes were getting destroyed and getting thrown out of, and that's one of the main reasons why they haven't even found most of the ships there and the planes there. So I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys found it informative. अगर आप लोग को नहीं पता था बर्मुडा ट्रायंगल के बारे में, तो लाइक कीजिए, वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली को, मे बी उनको भी नहीं पता होगा इस फिनोमेनन और इस मिस्ट्री के बारे में. तो लाइक कीजिए, वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद.